Next one, and uh, graphic tablet of graphics pads is a flattened rectangle pad which can be on draw one within the special space called a stylist. Whatever is a draw on the 2B tablet and seen on a computer screens. Anything and drawn onto the tablet of can be a save as a images. Uses of graphic tablet. A graphics tablet is used mainly for a computer aided designers and drawing. This device also a designer and to produce and digital images much more accurately than it if they were using a mouse. A graph and tablet is or a use also often using by a graphical designer. Advantages of a graphic tablet: it is a much more natural to be a draw diagrams or within the pencil type implement the stylish and rather than the within the mouse. A great and level of accuracy can be achieved. Next one, scanner. Scanner be used to convert images or a text on a paper into a digital format that can be used by the computer. There are the three types of a scanner: flat bed scanner, handheld scanner, sheet feed scanner. Uses of scanner: uses to convert a printed images on a paper to electronic form. Old photos and important document can be scanned into the computer. This means and you still have a copy if a copy is the original is damaged or lost. Its advantages of a scanner: a flat fit and scanner or a very accurate and can be produced and a reasonable high quality images, and any images which is digitalized by the scanner can then be including on a electronic documents. Images one digitals can be engaged within the graphical the application. Next one, digital camera. Digital camera stored in digital photographs on a memory cards, and these images can easily be transferred onto a computer for viewing or editing. And most digital cameras have a built-in screen to allow for a preventing the digital photograph. This is useful so that the photographers can decide which is the images to make to keep and which is to delete. The pictures made by a digital camera is formed by a quality and very small dots, and dots for different colors is called pixels or picture elements. These are the number of dots that make up of the images. The digital camera's image quality is measured in megapixel. The picture's quality is here related to the density of the dots making the picture. So the higher and the megapixels, the higher and quality of the images. Next, uses of a digital camera uses to capture digital images which can be transferred to the computer for editing. By connecting directly to a photo printers, and images can be printed straight from the camera. No need for to upload to a computer. And advantages of a digital camera: digital images can be improved and editing easily used to editing a software, and digital image can be easily transferred through a Bluetooth and emails and mobile phones. Memory cards and in digital cameras can be stored in thousands of a digital photograph. Next one, web camera. Web camera is an input device, and because it is a capture your video images of the sense and in your front it. Webcams are similar to your digital cameras and your functions, but they are directly connected to to the computer. Webcams can be capture the both and digital images and the videos. These images and videos are sent to directly to the computer where they or can be stored and used. Uses of a web camera. A web cameras are used in a whole of video is conferencing meeting over the internet and used to conducting face-to-face conventions and job interviews and over the internet, and sometimes are used to allow drive to view the traffic conditions on your roads and the plans and difference and route of in the traffic on the roads and to your constructions. In advantages of a web camera, digital photos and videos can be a display and while varieties of your devices can such as the smartphones and televisions and screens. This allows us access in the wide and ranges of your locations. Someone's are by servers or people's at the same time, and video conference in business a meeting to a job interviews can be conducted a very long distance over uh, next and digital videos are can be broadcast on over the internet so that the TV programs can be available on demand. Next slide, a microphone. Microphone can be used to input sound. The sound is detected by the microphones and any electronic signals is transmitted to the computer. And analog to a digital converter, it is used to convert this is analog data into a digital data. So it is can be stored in manipulator. The computers have been programming to do a voice and recognition. In voice and recognition software enable the computer to know who is talking to but not as what is had been said. Voices can be used to like on your fingerprinters to identify a persons, and speech is often used in for a voice and command system. These are required that the voice and first of be microphone use the input the spoken and words which is of the analyzing by the programming. The sound is compared within the other sounds and stores a computer to find the matching words. This matching words are interpreted as a commands. This the process of a because an user made words or a sound differences are different at different times of your users and same words and differently as a result for your software may have a trainer for a particular use. Next, uses of microphone used to input a sound speech of for a use in a range of application uses in speech and recognition software and free mobile phones are used in microphone to allow the people to hold conventions of without using their hands. This makes driving for a much and safer. Used in a gaming along within the headphones so that games can talk to each others. And advantages of your microphone faster to read in your text than to do type of is using keyboards, and microphones are very cheaper to buy and makes driving safer because and people do not need to take on their hands of something other than the mobile phones.